Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Man sexually assaulted two girls outside court while on trial for drug dealing. A man sexually assaulted two teenage girls outside a court where he was on trial for drug dealing. Darnell McCollins walked up to the girls near Stafford Crown Court on June 3 last year, asked them questions, and touched both of them. The 24-year-old made several advances before the pair walked away and told someone what happened. He was arrested by police the next day and, when interviewed, denied committing the offenses. However, he later pleaded guilty to sexual assault on a female. McCollins, of Eton, London, was sentenced to 23 weeks in prison at Cannock Magistrates Court on March 11. This will run consecutively to a 3.5-year sentence he is serving for conspiring to supply heroin and crack cocaine. It was during the trial for that offense that he carried out the assault. He was put on the sex offenders register for 7 years, given a restraining order against the victims, and ordered to pay £604 in costs. DI Emma Roach, from the Child Protection Team at Staffordshire Police, said, "I'm pleased that we were able to gather the evidence needed to convict McCollins of his crimes and to support the survivors as much as possible. We're determined to deliver justice for victims of sexual crimes in Staffordshire and to act robustly against those responsible." A spokesperson for the force added, "A man who sexually assaulted two girls outside of court while on trial for another matter has been jailed after we launched an investigation." Darnell McCollins, 24, of Eton, London, was due to appear at Stafford Crown Court on 3 June last year when he approached two teenage girls and started asking them questions. He asked them for their details and touched both of them. He made repeated advances before both of the girls walked away and told someone what had happened. "We started investigating and arrested McCollins the day after. He was questioned in custody but denied the offenses. Officers from our Child Protection Team, CPT, worked extremely hard to support the survivors as much as possible and to gather all of the evidence needed to charge McCollins for his crimes." McCollins was taken to court and pleaded guilty to sexual assault on a female at an earlier hearing. He was sentenced to 23 weeks imprisonment at Cannock Magistrates Court on 11 March, which will run consecutively to a separate sentence he is serving. He was put on the sex offenders register for 7 years, given a restraining order against the victims, and ordered to pay £604 in costs. They added, "If you're a victim of a sexual offense and you feel ready to talk, call us on 101 or use live chat on our website. Get in touch with our news team by emailing us at webnews@metro.co.uk. For more stories like this, check our news page." Era. More, pedophile who abused schoolgirl, 13, told police, "She wanted it as much as me." Era. More, man sectioned after explosive chemicals spark seafront evacuation. Era. More, coward driver hit mom and left her to die in the road after downing 11 pints. Never miss the biggest stories with breaking news alerts in your inbox. This site is protected by Ray CAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. Your information will be used in line with our privacy policy.